My last twist. I'm on my last twist. I'm on my last twist. God, finally. It took me 2 days. All right, so if you see me looking over there, it's a mirror. So boom, sister locks, right? This is really what I want. You know what I'm saying? I want micro locks because they just look so pretty. I absolutely love them. And I was like, let me just freaking take them shits out. I know people are probably like, yo, what are you doing? I don't know. So I'm gonna spray my hair a bit with some water. Just regular water, no distill, no rose water. Even though I have some rose water, but you wanna, I'm wetting my hair so I can part it and stuff, and I won't like, you know, yank through it, and it'll have some moisture. And now I'm gonna take the cocoa nibs and honey, Ayurvedic Brahma and almond oils. Gonna put some of that in my hand. And I like to keep my hair a little damp and put oils on, and not soaking wet and put oils on, because I want the oils to lock into my hair strands. So I'm just gonna do this like this here. My little undercut. Cut off some heat damage. All right. Bet. Next, what we're gonna do is we're going to part our hair. I'm taking this type of comb right here. And this comb itself, this is really sharp. Like, I cut myself one time. I'm like, why is these so pointy? But anyway, I'm gonna just section my hair off. And the problem I had with the locks I had before too was the fact that my parts were in brick formation, meaning that like it was staggered. It wasn't like if I wanted to part my hair down the middle, you'll see a twist sitting in the middle. Like, you know what I'm saying? That makes sense. So I'm trying to make sure that my parts are completely even. So what I'm gonna do is part my hair evenly down each side, and I'm gonna come back with the rest of the video. Got a message from somebody. Anyway, I think I'll take you guys with me. So, as you can see, this is my hair, and like, I think that's fine. Yeah, I'm about to do that. But then it makes a little patch of star shape, and I'm like, nah. So I'm gonna just like put this back and get my camera mirror. I'm gonna put this back over here. So these are my sections for my locks. I am doing sister locks. I am in love with the way they look, and especially when they grow out. Oh god, it's like loose natural hair minus all the maintenance because they're locks. So yeah, let me show you what I'm working with. Okay, that's my section. So I'm gonna. I need to clean up anywhere. I think that I'm pretty good. Maybe I can clean up right there a little bit. Just a tad bit. And throw that back. You know how you do in the club? I'm gonna throw that back. And I'm going to take this rubber band out. I don't care about how I'm treating my ends right now. I'm so sorry. I just don't care. Because I personally feel like bad boys are getting locked up. Okay? Won't let you out. Okay. Is that fine? Yeah. So, I'm going to spray my hair with just some regular water. And yeah, I'm gonna take some oil. I'm not using any creams in my hair ever. I probably will never use creams in my hair ever again, because no, I'm just not doing it. Happy wife, happy life. I'm not a wife yet though, so you gotta speak it into existence. Okay, like when you drink your water, you gotta call it rich water. I'm gonna put a little beep in there I'm gonna say a bad word, rich bitch water. So I'm just gonna like twist this around. Just like putting it away. I gotta go to freaking Walmart. I think I'll go to Walmart and record myself going to Walmart with my hair like this. Then I'll do this section. And I'll take some more of this Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Oil, Ayurvedic Brahmi and Almond Oils. I love this stuff. It's the most moisturizing oils. But it's pretty, I think it's like $15. But it lasts a while if you allow it to. It doesn't take much. So, gently with my brush went. So, I'm just going to just take this here. And brush this out. Just like so, just like music. Turn on the music. Just gonna twist that around. SISTERLOCKS costs like almost $1 million. No, I'm joking. That costs like at least $800 to get, and I'm just like, I don't have that to give you people. These are my sections. I'm proud of myself. I can tolerate this. I did get a crochet hook. I did not get a little, like the little needle thing, and I didn't bend it. I forgot, like, I didn't do that. So, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just wing it and not even worry about using this. So, as you can see, I tried to keep my parts, let me show you. I tried to keep my parts pretty even so that later on in life, I can like part my hair down the side, or when I'm doing some type of braid, you know, there'll be even sections I can create. So here's my parts. And my parts are pretty much the same. Going down there, going down there, going down there. So that's the method I'm working with. This took me about an hour and like an hour and 45 minutes to complete. But it's probably because I was like kind of lollygagging a little bit. But yeah, here's where I'm at with it. So I'm gonna get started on this side, and I will come back to you guys later when I am about to finish. So finally finished my hair. This took me approximately 4 hours yesterday. No, 4 hours yesterday. 4 hours today. So 8 hours in total to complete this look. Here you go. These are perfect. I feel like I just took so much time on these, and I made sure that my part was all the way even down the middle. Let me see if I can get around to the back. Let me see. Well, it doesn't really matter. But just know that my part is all the way even down the middle there. Even here, even there. And that's just the really main importance to me. So, it's still quarantine, but, maybe go to the grocery store. So, yeah. This is it. I love them. I took so much time. My feet hurt. But, ready to go. So much body. Alright, you guys. So, that's the process. I should count them. I'll count them one day. Not today, but yeah. So, anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. I'm done talking.